So I am getting Stremio playback error. Let me play any of the video. Let me see. Let me open this, and whenever I click on this and I get an error message, I'll just show you. You can see here, playback error, please try again. So this is showing up for me again and again. So let me troubleshoot it now and fix this issue. So what I need to do, first of all, I need to clear cache on Stremio. So I need to go to the settings. You can see settings here. Just tap on this settings option and click on the journal. Scroll down a bit and you will find this clear local storage. Just tap on this and clear local data from your system. So the next option is to configure community add-on. For this you need to go to this puzzle option add-ons. Just tap on this. After that you can see these are the options. You need to click on community add-on, and from here you can configure specific add-ons in your system for which you are facing the issue, and you make sure to get the specific add-ons which you use using community add-ons only. So the third step is to disable antivirus temporarily and also disable VPN. Sometimes enabling or disabling VPN or antivirus solve this issue. So make sure to do that and see whether it works for you or not. Also, if it does not work, I will suggest you to uninstall Stremio. You can go to the control panel, select Stremio and click on uninstall. After uninstalling, you need to go to the official website of Stremio and download it from here. Make sure to not download Stremio from any external website. Open stremio.com/downloads and install it according to your PC, whether you have Windows, Mac or Linux. And after that, make sure to restart your PC and check whether this issue get resolved or not. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.